Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lip product declutter. In today's video, we're going to focus on this assortment of lip products. This assortment of products just includes my liquid lipsticks and lip glosses, minus the products that are currently in my various purses. So I wanted to tackle this because it's getting out of control and I really need to downsize. Some of these products are flat out expired. Others are lightly used that I might give to a friend, and then the others I have not tried yet. So we're gonna go through these one by one. It is also the middle of Vlogtober, so I'm doing new videos 5 days a week. So let me know if you guys want to see any other declutters of any other sections of my makeup collection. But today is gonna be lip gloss, liquid lipstick. So jumping in, first one we're gonna be decluttering is Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie. This is in the color Hypnotist. I love this lip gloss. It was like a holographic pinky gold green purple shift lip gloss. I wore this a lot as like a center lip topper, but it is expired. I've had this like 3 or 4 years. So that's gonna go in the trash pile. This lipstick's by Buxom. This is the Pink Champagne full on liquid, what do they call these? Full on lip cream. I love this, but it is like essentially empty. And I have a little bit left, but it's definitely expired. Love this gloss. We'll be throwing it away. This is the Buxom full on lip cream in the shade Peach Daiquiri. Love this gloss. I'm gonna actually put this in the keep pile even though it's on its last leg. I love this for like a peachy nude gloss, and I actually don't really like a lot of lip glosses, but this is my favorite lip gloss formula of all time. It's minty, it's cooling, it's plumping, and all that good stuff. So that's gonna go in the keep pile. Keep pile is gonna be over here. These next 3 glosses are also by Buxom. These are slightly different. You can see they have a more metallized holographic finish. These are the plumping lip polishes by Buxom. This is the shade Mariah, Selena, and Savannah. I'm definitely going to keep these because these are gorgeous, and it might like take the place of what this one used to do for me. So those are going in the keep pile. I'm not going to have time to swatch everything, so I hope you guys understand, but if you have questions, leave them down below. These 2 glosses are by Urban Decay. We have the shades Back Talk and Obsessed. Obsessed is like a mauvey pink with a little bit of shimmer. Back Top is a more plummy mauve, so definitely going to keep these. I really like the formula of these. They're quite pigmented too. This next lip gloss is by Ever Beauty. It's the Flash Power Plumping Lip Gloss. I really like this. I have an Instagram makeup tutorial featuring this brand. And as you can see, it's like a peachy nude, a little bit deeper than that Buxom gloss. I really like the formula on this, so I'm going to be keeping it. Alright, next up I have these Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shines. I love these. The only thing I don't like about these is the applicator. Or not necessarily the applicator, it's the tube. I feel like the tube sometimes squeezes off too much from the brush, and I have to like dip a couple times to apply to my lips. I do really like these glosses, so I'm going to be keeping these. The only one I'm kind of iffy on is this one in shade number 15 True Nude. I wonder, I don't know if I like this one. That one's like a really nude. Oh, that's really pretty too. Oh, you guys, this is hard. I think I'm going to keep these. You know what, actually I'm going to get rid of this one. I don't really feel comfortable gifting it to a friend because lip gloss is kind of gross to share. So I'm going to be tossing that one and keeping these 3. Alright, I think our glosses are done for. You can see my keep pile is quite big back here. So let's move into liquid lipstick. First up is Jouer, and actually all of these are expired. The Jouer liquid lipsticks are some of my all-time favorite when it comes to color selection and formula. This liquid lipstick in Lychee was definitely an all-time favorite. I spoke about it many times on my blog and on my YouTube channel. And I like these liquid lipsticks because they're moussey, they're comfortable, they last a really long time, and they smell like easy bake oven cake. This is Noisette. I really like Noisette. It's a little bit deeper nude brown. And Terra was another favorite of mine. A warmer nude. They also had this topper called Skinny Dip. That was like all the craze a couple years ago. Beautiful shimmery gold. I've had these going on 3 or 4 years, so it is time to declutter them because they are expired. Next up we have some liquid lipsticks from CoverGirl. These 2 are the Melting Pout Mattes. This is the color Coral Chronicles. This is the color Ballerina. These 2 are the Queen Major Shade liquid lipstick. This is the color Insider. This is the color Rebel. I'm going to keep all of these just because I haven't tried them yet. Next up is another one I'm going to have to declutter because it's expired. This is Kat Von D Lolita 2 Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Beautiful orangey terracotta nude. Love this formula. It's definitely a long wearing formula. It's a little more wet when you apply it, but it definitely dries down and lasts a long time. This is definitely expired. I'm going to be getting rid of it. These are the Milani Amore Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I love these. These are another product that are well past their expiration date. The nude color is called Sweetie. I wore this a lot on my blog. Beautiful formula, but does not layer well. If you eat something oily, you will have to reapply, and it's kind of hard to reapply. It gets kind of crumbly once you layer it upon itself later in the day. The red color is called Beautiful. Another one that I always got compliments on. Beautiful blue toned red, makes your teeth look really white. The finish is very velvety, but it is completely matte, but it looks gorgeous on the lips. These are affordable at the drugstore. Unfortunately, they're expired, so I need to declutter these. Next up are the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks by L'Oreal. These are the Le Chocolat version. So these are inspired by chocolate. They smell like Hershey's syrup. The pinky one is called Candyman, and the more muted one here is called Box of Chocolates. So these aren't my favorite liquid lipsticks in the world, but I really do enjoy the scent. I want to try these out a little bit more, so I'm going to keep them. These are from the standard L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick range. These are not the chocolate version. The pink one's called Petal Potion, and the nude one's called Cowboy. I don't think Cowboy is going to be a very flattering color on me. It's that brown one there. So I'm going to put that in the gifting pile. And Petal Potion, I've worn this in a video before. It's kind of a purpley mauve. It's kind of too purpley pink for me, so I'm going to let that one go. Next up from L'Oreal Infallible, this is the Infallible Paints Metallic in the shade Moonlust. Super metallic, super moussey. I think I'm going to keep this one just because I don't have any other products like this, and it's a beautiful opaque shimmery pink. I'm not going to get a ton of wear out of this, but I think it will be a useful one to keep for when I do want to put something on metallic and fun. 3 more Infallible Paints Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This is the one in Tongue Tied. Beautiful nude. I really like that one. That one's a great one when I'm wearing heavy dark eye makeup. This is the one in Peach Pit. Ooh, that's pretty. That's fun. And this is the one in Festival. They're all nude, but they're all so different. Okay, I think I'm going to get rid of Festival, which is this last swatch on the hand, just because I think these other 2 nudes will be more flattering on my skin tone, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the gift pile. Next up, we have the Buxom Wildly Whipped Lightweight Liquid Lipstick in the shade White Russian. Oh wow, that is very, very pale nudie pink. I don't know if I can pull that off. Like, I like it in a gloss version just because it's more sheer, but I feel like that's a little full on for me. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this in the pass on pile. Next up, I have 3 Cushy Vibe Liquid Lipsticks by Kaja. They market these as a lip stain, but they definitely have that moussey formula. That one's Silk Robe. You guys know I love the red. Let me swatch it next to the Milani red so you can see. Very similar, very moussey, but they do dry down. They last a long time. They are not kiss proof or budge proof though, so just keep that in mind. And that is the color in Cashmere. I'm going to keep these because I really enjoy the formula and it's new. And even though this one's really deep, I might be in the mood for that one day. Next up, we have some liquid lipsticks by Burberry. These are the Lip Velvets. I really enjoy these. Okay, that's in the shade Oxblood. Oh wow, I don't think I'm going to wear that. I think that's too deep for me. I'm going to pass that on to a friend. And this is the shade Bright Plum. It's really quite similar to the Kaja Beauty one. These have a more whipped velvety consistency. They're very lightweight and moussey on the lips, so I do like these, and I'm going to keep this one. I have another one in Fawn in my bag that I really enjoy. Next up is Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Chill Zone, and it's a wild color. I got this in a swag bag at an event, but dar she blows. This is a gray liquid lipstick, and I think I'm going to keep it. I know it sounds crazy, but there might be a time where I want to reach for this kind of color, and it will be good to have in hand. And plus, I wouldn't keep this if I didn't adore the formula. I love the formula of these. I used to have it in the shade Boss. I used it completely up. These are kiss proof, smudge proof, beautiful, comfortable liquid lipstick, so I really enjoy that one. and I'm gonna find a way to wear this color. Last up are the Pixie liquid lipsticks. I really adore these, and I have 5 nudes here: Au Naturel, Matte Beige, Pastel Petal, Really Rose, and Evening Rose. These two are the most similar, so I could probably do without one of these. So this is Au Naturel, swatch right there. I really like the color, but I don't like how it makes my teeth look yellow, so I'm going to be passing that on to a friend. These are the two that are very similar: Matte Beige, and this is Pastel Petal. Oh, you guys, they're so similar. One's like slightly more pink than the other. Oh, you guys, I can't decide. I think I'm going to keep Pastel Petal and pass Matte Beige on to a friend. Last two, Really Rose. I've definitely worn this in a video. Gorgeous. And then this one, Evening Rose. Oh, those two are really similar as well. I think I'm going to keep Really Rose and pass on Evening Rose. Alright, so let's load back the ones I'm keeping. I'm going to keep these out just because I want to have them in my pile of products to try. Going to put these over here on the side of my desk in my mug of lip products to try. I'm keeping 26 lip products. Alright, so this is the pile of products we are decluttering. This is the pile I'm going to be putting in the trash, and this is the pile I'm going to be passing on to friends. It's time for me to go wash all these swatches off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe down below. Let me know which declutter you'd like to see next. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.